Hello my friends, here I am again and we are going to continue with our Pixie style. My name is Jesus Romero from Spain, fashion team member of the Foundation Guion since many years, and this is the third video about how we can create an easy Pixie style. So continue. The video before we did just the side of the mannequin. We are going to see how we do the back side of it. As you remember, what we did is create a little increased layers on that, and we are going to do something very similar on the back. What we are going to do? We are going to start in the middle of the neck with a vertical line. And again, I don't want to create an extremely short hair. We are working on short hair, but I don't want the classic one from short on the base to long in the interior. We are going completely the opposite. Okay? I want to create little bit longer hair on the neck, but with a very, very flat effect from the skin. So we're going to start in the middle with a vertical line, and again, my finger position will create layers from short in the interior to long on the exterior. And we are going to continue doing that, like 2 or 3 pieces, working with vertical lines, mobile design line. As you can see, my projection is that the hair is almost horizontal, parallel to the floor. Maybe if it's more comfortable with, to you, you can move the head a little bit to the front. And then continue. I see my design line, and again, cut the hair from short to long, and I will do it with just one more piece, mobile design line, and exactly the same thing. From short to long. And then the first one, we are on the corner of the neck. What we are going to do is start to work a little bit diagonal parts. Very vertical, but just diagonal. And again, we continue exactly with the same structure, working from short in the interior to longer hair on the exterior. And as you can see, I do always the same thing. We start very short, like we did on the section before. And it doesn't matter how long you leave the hair in the exterior, because if you have hair enough, you can play after with it. Continue again, another diagonal. I take a little bit hair from the one I did before, check it, and from short to long, continue creating that increased layer structure. One more again, from short to long. And last one, that we will use it to connection before, to connect the front and the back side. And again, project the hair parallel to the floor, almost 90 degrees, and create my increase from short to long. Then you can see that we create, as I told you before, a very flat effect, like copy the form of the hair. And now to finish it, just personalize it, taking hair from the exterior, use your razor or or the tool, because you can do it also with a scissor, but I love it really, work with the razor in this type of haircuts, because we can create a lot of texture on the hair, and I think it's very important for the final result. So you can see that we did a very short here, little bit longer on the neck, and what we have to do is exactly the same thing at the other side of the head. I think it was great. I will see you in the next videos and continue working on top of the head. See you.